What's happening, y'all? It's Josh, Drive the Coast. Just got this absolutely gorgeous 1969 Pontiac GTO Convertible. This is a 242 VIN car. Does have the Pontiac 400 motor, also with power steering, power brakes, and a power top, working great. Do a quick walk around video. We can check out the paint, check out the new shoes. Got brand new PMD wheels on it with redline tires. Absolutely sets the car off nicely. This is Matador red, so almost a burgundy color. Super nice. Nice body panels. Underside's also super clean. But still got the fuzzies on the tires here. They're brand new, so nice feature there. Top's also in great shape. If you hop on the website, there's some pictures with the car up, power top, dropping it back, all works great. Rear bumper looks good. A view of the driver's side. Like I said, paint and body's nice. As far as rust and body, also really clean. See the bottom of the doors, don't have anything on them. Really nice there. I just rolled all these windows down. They're all working like they should. Door panels look great. Got the original wood grain steering wheel there. Obviously bucket seats, console, automatic 400. Really nice boot cover as well. Fits nice and tight. My arm is in a cast right now, so don't make fun of the left-handed start here. Oh. All right.